In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a picture on Lucidchart with ease and precision. We'll walk through each step, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll be ready to add images seamlessly to your diagrams, enriching your visual presentations with just a few clicks. So, without further delay, let's dive right in. First, let's start by heading over to Lucidchart. Open your web browser and navigate to the Lucidchart website. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the login button, often found at the top right corner of the page. Give that a click and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. In the email field, type in the email address associated with your Lucidchart account. If you're logged in automatically, that's great. Otherwise, hit next after entering your email. Now type in your password in the password field and click on the login button to access your account. Remember to double check that your email and password are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. Once logged in, you're just a few steps away from adding a picture to your diagram. Next, direct yourself to the Documents section, usually accessible from the main dashboard. This is where you can see all your current and past projects. To proceed, click on Open a File to select the specific document you want to work on. If you're starting a new document, click on the appropriate option to start a blank project. With your document open, look towards the left menu where you'll find various icons. Click on the image icon, which is generally represented by a picture or landscape. This will open up tools related to image handling within Lucidchart. Now look for the import icon. This step is crucial because it allows you to bring external images into your Lucidchart document. Clicking on import will give you options on where to source your image from. In this case, click on image to continue. You will then be given the option to upload an image directly from your computer. Make sure the picture you want to use is easily accessible on your desktop or in your folders. Click Upload from Computer and select your desired image. The image will then appear in your Lucidchart document. Finally, you'll want to resize your image to fit your diagram properly. Click and drag the corners of the image to adjust its size according to your needs. That's it, you've successfully added a picture to your Lucidchart diagram. Incorporating images can vastly improve the effectiveness of your projects, making them not only more informative but visually engaging as well. Thanks for joining me today.